Imagine waking up to fresh air and sunshine. You step outside, gather eggs from your chickens, and pick ripe tomatoes for breakfast. This is the magic of homesteading. It's about self-sufficiency, connecting with nature, and building a sustainable life. Homesteading is a journey of learning and growth. It's about creating a life you love, filled with purpose and connection. Whether you dream of a small garden or a fully functioning farm, homesteading offers a path to a more fulfilling life. This guide will equip you with the knowledge to start your own homestead in just 90 days. We'll cover essential steps, practical tips, and resources to help you succeed. Get ready to roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and embrace the joys of homesteading. The first 30 days are crucial for setting the foundation for your homestead. Start by defining your goals. What do you envision for your homestead? What are your priorities and what resources do you have available? Next, create a detailed plan. Divide your land into zones for different purposes, such as gardening, livestock, and living space. Research local regulations, soil types, and climate conditions to inform your decisions. Finally, gather essential tools and materials. A sturdy shovel, a wheelbarrow, and basic carpentry tools are a good starting point. Sourcing materials locally can save money and support your community. With your plan in place, it's time to get your hands dirty. Start by clearing the land designated for your initial projects. Remove debris, fallen trees, and unwanted vegetation to create a clean slate. Establishing a reliable water source is critical for your homestead. Consider options like wells, rainwater harvesting systems, or connecting to a municipal supply. Plan for irrigation and water storage to ensure your plants and animals thrive. Soil preparation is equally important. Test your soil's pH and nutrient levels to determine appropriate amendments. Composting and mulching are excellent ways to improve soil fertility and structure. Building essential structures is the next step in your homesteading journey. Start with a simple shelter for yourself and any livestock you plan to raise. A basic shed or coop can be constructed using reclaimed materials or salvaged lumber. A greenhouse is invaluable for extending your growing season and protecting delicate plants. A simple hoop house or a more permanent glass structure can significantly increase your food production. Consider other structures based on your needs and priorities. A root cellar for storing produce, a chicken coop for fresh eggs, or a workshop for DIY projects are all valuable additions to your homestead. Sustainability is at the heart of homesteading. Embrace practices that minimize waste, conserve resources, and promote self-sufficiency. Composting kitchen scraps and garden waste reduces landfill burden and creates nutrient-rich fertilizer. Practice crop rotation to prevent soil depletion and control pests naturally. Companion planting, where mutually beneficial plants are grown together, can enhance growth and deter unwanted insects. Raising chickens for eggs and meat is a rewarding way to add protein to your diet. Their manure is an excellent fertilizer, further closing the loop on your homestead ecosystem. There's a wealth of information available to support your homesteading journey. Books, online forums, and local workshops offer valuable insights and practical advice. Connect with experienced homesteaders in your area for mentorship and support. Local agricultural extension offices provide guidance on soil testing, pest management, and livestock care. They often offer workshops and resources tailored to your region's specific challenges and opportunities. Don't underestimate the power of observation and experimentation. Every homestead is unique, and what works for one may not work for another. Be willing to adapt, learn from your mistakes, and celebrate your successes. Here's a checklist to keep you on track during your first 90 days. Days 1 to 30. Define your homesteading goals. Create a detailed plan for land use. Research local regulations and resources. Gather essential tools and materials. Days 31 to 60. Clear land for initial projects. Establish a reliable water source. Prepare soil for planting. Days 61 to 90. Build a basic shelter for yourself and livestock. Construct a greenhouse for extended growing. Consider additional structures based on your needs. Ongoing. Embrace sustainable living practices. Seek out homesteading resources and connect with mentors. Continuously learn and adapt to your unique homestead environment. Homesteading is a hands-on endeavor, and challenges are inevitable. Be prepared to troubleshoot problems and perform regular maintenance to keep things running smoothly. Inspect structures for damage, repair fences, and address any issues promptly. Regularly monitor your plants and animals for signs of disease or pests. Early detection can prevent widespread problems and protect your investment. Seek advice from experienced homesteaders or agricultural experts when needed. Remember, setbacks are part of the learning process. Embrace challenges as opportunities to grow your skills and deepen your understanding of your homestead ecosystem. Congratulations! You've taken the first steps towards creating your own homestead. Remember, this is just the beginning. Homesteading is a lifelong journey of learning, growth, and connection with nature. Embrace the challenges and celebrate the rewards. The satisfaction of growing your own food, raising livestock, and living a more self-sufficient life is deeply fulfilling. Your homestead will evolve over time, reflecting your changing needs and aspirations. So, roll up your sleeves, get your hands dirty, and embark on this exciting adventure. The joys of homesteading await you.